Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show how to allow a specific person to always see your birthday on Telegram, even if your general privacy settings are restricted. This is especially useful if you want to keep your birthday private but still share it with close friends or family. Let's go step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to adjust your birthday visibility. Next, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. This will open the main sidebar where you can access your account settings. From there, tap on My Profile to view your personal details. Now look at the top of your profile page and tap on the Edit icon. This will take you to the section where you can manage your profile information. Once you're in the Edit screen, find the option that says Choose Who Can See Your Birthday. Right next to it, tap on Settings. Here's where the important part comes in. Scroll down until you see the Add Exceptions section. Under that, tap on Add Users. Now simply choose the person you want to always allow to see your birthday. Once selected, they will be added to your exceptions list. What this means is that even if your birthday visibility is set to nobody or limited to certain contacts, the users you add here will always be able to see it. After selecting the user, just go back to save your changes. Telegram usually saves automatically, so you don't need to worry about confirming anything. And that's it. You've successfully set up a custom exception for your birthday visibility on Telegram. This feature gives you more control over your privacy while still allowing you to share personal details with people who matter most. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and privacy guides.